Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa lahat. Then anyways, so share ko lang yung actually sobrang ganda. Okay, so I have my problem right now. So yung problem ko, hindi siya malak nakates. So nagba-bounce pa. So sarap ng ganitong problema guys. Sobrang sarap ng ganitong problema. Diba? So actually maliit lang naman to, but anyways, I'm very proud myself because nakaya kong mag-make and mag-keep and mag-multiply ng money. So, ibig sabihin, kung kaya ko siyang gawin, kaya ko siyang ulitin. Then, I'm very proud of myself. Then, I believe na mas malaki pa to in the long run in my year. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, kung nakaya ko, diba? Kaya mo rin. Try. Diba? Sabi nga nila, hindi mo malalaman kung hindi mo subukan. Ang buhay sugal lang. Diba? Kung hindi ka tataya, hindi mo rin alam kung mananalo ka. Kaya, choose wisely. Perang pinaparami ko at hindi anak.